Arithmetic Progression, Exercise 1.3, 18th question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with center at A of radii 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm and so on as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? First, let me explain this diagram so that you can understand better. Okay? A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with center alternatively at A and B. First, let me explain the meaning of this. See here, it is a spiral, right? It is made up of semicircles. See here, from here to here, it is one semicircle. Then, from here to here, it is one semicircle. Isn't it? This spiral, it is made up of semicircles. See here, with the center alternatively at A and B. This is very important. Means what? This semicircle, see here, this one, it is made up of the center A. Okay. Then the down, this one, this semicircle, it is made up of the center B. Then again, semicircle, it is made up of the center A. Okay. And the down one, this one, it is made up of the center B. Let me explain that clear. Okay. See here, let me draw a line. Let me mark this point as A. Now, take your compass. See here, imagine it measures 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, I am keeping my compass at this point and it measures 0.5. Right? Then let me draw a semicircle like this. Okay. See here. Let me draw it clearly. Okay, keeping A as center, I will draw a semicircle and the radius is 0.5. Okay. Now, let me name this point as B. Now, see what they told us? With centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter. Means, one time we have to keep our compass at the point A and alternatively we have to keep our compass at the point B. First, I kept my compass at the point A and it measures 0.5. Now, keeping our compass at the point B, we have to construct a semicircle. See here. Now, the radius is 1.0 centimeter, right? Therefore, see this one, 0.5 and this is 0.5, right? This is also 0.5, this radius is also 0.5. So, keeping B as center, let me draw a successive semicircle like this. Okay. Okay. And this semicircle, it measures 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, we have to keep our compass at the point A. Here. And we have to draw a semicircle. Now here 0.5 and 1.0. How much it measures? It measures 1.5, right? Let me draw like this. Now, this is our L1. The length of this semicircle. Let me name this as L1. And the length of this semicircle. Let me name that as L2. And let me name this semicircle as L3. Okay. I think now you have understood. L1 it is the semicircle of radius 0.5. L2, it is the semicircle of radius 1.0 centimeter. And L3, it is the semicircle of radius 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Now keeping your compass at the point P, you will construct a semicircle. Say then how much it measures? It measures 2 centimeter. Right? Then this one, the down one, let me show it by the blue one. Say it is L4. Right? It is of radius 2.0 centimeter. Okay? Hope you have understood the diagram now. Then, in the question what they told us to find out? They told us to find out what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. Means what they are saying, like this, they have 13 semicircles. L1, L2, L3, L4, like that. They have 13 semicircles. And we have to find out the total length of the spiral. Then what you will do? To find out the total length, we have to add the semicircles, length of the semicircles, right? Here, L1, L2, L3, L4. Like that, we have to add, right? 4. Like that, we have to add the length of the 13 semicircles. Hope you have understood the meaning of this question. Now let us solve this. Now look at this. We know that it is a semicircle, right? Then it is L1. How to find out the length of a semicircle? We know the formula. Say, length of a semicircle, it is nothing but the perimeter of a semicircle, isn't it? What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a semicircle? It is pi r, right? This is also a semicircle. Then, how to find out the length of this semicircle? That is also the perimeter of a semicircle. That is pi r. Right? Here it is pi r1. It is pi r2. Because the radius is different. That is length of semicircles. Given by L1 plus L2 plus L3 and so on. We know the formula. L1 is equal to pi into R1, right? L2 is equal to pi into R2. L1 is pi into R1 plus L2 is pi into R2 plus L3 is pi into R3. The first radius is 0.5 centimeter. Therefore, it is pi into 0.5 plus pi into R2 is, the radius is 1.0 plus pi into the radius is 1.5 and so on. So, what it will become? 0.5 pi plus 1 pi plus 1.5 pi and so on. Okay. Now you can see that the length of the semicircles, they are in AP. Isn't it? See, they are in AP. Then, this is the first term of the AP. Therefore, A is equal to 0.5 pi. We can find out D, isn't it? D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 which is A2, 1 pi minus A1. A1 is 0.5 pi. Therefore, D is equal to 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 pi. Okay. The value of D is 0.5 pi. Then what is given? N it is given. N is equal to 13. Because we know that a spiral it is made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the total length of these 13 semicircles. Right? Therefore, Sn is equal to question mark. Okay. By using this data, we have to find out Sn. Let us find out Sn. Let me rub the board. Solution. What is given? A is equal to 0.5 pi. D is equal to 0.5 pi. And N is equal to 13. We have to find out Sn. And we know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. The value of n is 13. That is, S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into a. The value of a is 0.5 pi. 0.5 pi plus n. The value of n is 13. 13 minus 1. D. The value of d is 0.5 pi. S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 0.5 is what? 1.0. Let me do this here. 0.5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 remains. That is 2 zeros are 0 and this 1. 1.0. It's nothing but what? 1. 1 into pi. Look at this pi carefully. Then it will become 1 pi. For this plus, let me write plus. 13 minus 1 is what? 12. 12 into 0.5 pi. Okay. Yes, 13 is equal to 13 by 2, 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5 is what? 6.0. 0.5 into 12. 12 5s are 60. 6 remains. Then 12 zeros are 0. Then plus 6. It is 6.0. It's nothing but what? 6. 6 into pi is what? 6 pi. Okay. Yes, 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 1 pi plus 6 pi is what? 7 pi. Okay. Let me continue that side. Yes, 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into, what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 by 7, right? Therefore, let me write 22 by 7. Now look at this. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, cancels. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Then, yes, 13 is equal to 13 into 11. 13 into 11. 11 3s are 33, 3 remains. 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. Isn't it? That is, yes, 13 is equal to 143 centimeter. That is, the total length of 13 consecutive semicircles is 143 centimeter. Hope you have understood. Thank you.